You bless me, my life make better. Oh, what shall Hello, guys. You know my name is Yamikashia, and today I'm doing Nana Best Kitchen fufu flour. Yeah, I want to try it out, and I want to see how it tastes. In life you need to be experimenting. You need to be. We learn each and every blessed day. So I have all my ingredients here. There's three major ingredients here. So stay with me as we do it together. And also, I'm going to tell you a story about myself. So do well to stay till the end of this video. And if you're new here, thank you. Kindly subscribe. And if you're an old subscriber too, thank you always for being supportive. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so these are the things that she used: bunch cassava, and in Germany here this is very expensive. I'll tell you a story about when I newly came to Germany. And this also is my plantain. That one too is quite expensive, €2 and 52 or so, only three. And the only cheap one is the potatoes, which is €2 something. I've forgotten the price, but it's okay. So let's start. You first of all peel all your ingredients, or all the things you'll be using. That's the cassava, the plantain, and the cocoyam. Now let me tell you a story. When I newly traveled, when I newly came to Germany, well, I don't know whether it's only me, but probably everybody, when you newly travel to somewhere and you don't know anything about that country or anything about that place, you seems to be acting like a villager. Okay, so when I newly came, my uncle would take me to, let's say, shopping mall, and I'll see clothes, biscuits. The mall in abroad is quite different from the mall in Ghana. So whenever I see, let's say, toffee, you understand, when I see toffee, I'm like, wow, when I get money, I'll come and buy some. When I see biscuits, I'm like, wow, whenever I get money, I'll come and buy some. Charlie, everything I see, I say I'll come and buy. Waiting they happen. Okay. Now I started working. So let me explain something here. You cut all your things smaller pieces. I know when you're watching this video, you are going to understand everything. So let me continue with the story. Now I started working. Yeah. So when I started working, at least I was getting, some small, although it was not full-time job. I was working and I was getting some small money. Now here comes yummy cash in shops. I wouldn't be going to shops or malls with my uncle, but rather I'll be going alone because I started working, and I think I'll be yoga. So whenever I go to shop and I see the same biscuits that when I newly came I saw, and I was like, when I get money I'll come and buy this same biscuits, I'll see, and it will be like €1. Small biscuits, so €1. Then I'll stand there and be like, €1. When you convert it to Ghana cedis, how much is it? Those times it was 5 cedis. I'm like, this biscuit 5 cedis. Like, I'll never buy it. I'll go to shops to buy clothes, and I'll see one shirt, it will be €13. I'll stand there, take my phone, multiply 13 by 5, and I'm like, this dress 65 Ghana cedis. Hey, I'll not buy you. Or this shirt 65. I will not buy. And one day I made friends, and this friend was like, Why is it that every time we go to shop, you're like when you see prices of things, you take your phone and you calculate, and later on you will not buy the thing? I'm like, why would I buy? Why? One shirt 65 Ghana cedis. When you go to Africa, you go to Kantamanto first selection, you will get 65 Ghana. You will get a lot of things to buy. And she's like, so wait, so will you go to Ghana and buy the things and come? No, you probably wouldn't do that. I'm like, no, I'm not going to Ghana anytime soon. You know it. So then she says, then you are going, all your dresses are going to be tattered, blah blah blah. So it's a long story. If I thought you laugh, anyways. So later on, this village girl called Yamika started, considering herself and adapting to the culture and the lifestyle of abroad. So in all, this potatoes I grated. I did not use that because I did not want my flour to be black. So after blending everything, I just sieved everything so that all the chaffs will be, removed or be taken away from it. So exactly what Nanaba did. So as I said previously or earlier on, I am following the steps she used. So just to know whether it's okay, you can try. Will it be like Ghana's fufu or yes, something like that? So here are mine. Everything has been blended, and then I mixed everything together. I mixed the potatoes, the plantain, and the cassava. But with her, she measured differently. Well, for me, I think because my own was not many like her own, so I just mixed everything together and I started cooking it. She did her own the other way around. This is not how she did it. So if you really want to see how she did everything, I am going to leave her link in the description box below. You can check it out and find out exactly how she did her own. So here I am. It was quite soft, but when it gets cool down, it's going to be hard. And then this is how you serve it. So in all, what I think about this is it's quite impressive because you would know what you made it by yourself. So yes, it's comfortable when eating it. You don't have to think about, oh, what did this person put in, what did this person put in. And out of 100, I am going to say this is 90% for me because my blender was not okay and it did not blend very well. I had some some small, I don't know how to say, some small particles inside, you understand. So when you're in Ghana especially, you can do this. When you go to the those people who blend things, they are going to blend this very smoothly for you, and I know you're going to get the authentic 100% texture of fufu. So but now, but with this one, I give you thumbs up. Thank you so much for sharing with us. And sweetheart, I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, let me enjoy my fufu. Cheers.